Deadly new virus which has killed 25 people in China could have spread to humans from bat soup, it's been claimed. Bat soup is reported to be an unusual but popular dish, particularly in Wuhan, where the virus is understood to have originated at an open-air fish market. The outbreak of coronavirus began in the city of Wuhan, which has since been put in lockdown after more than 600 people were infected globally. Recently, photos of Wuhan locals eating bat soup have surfaced, causing some to believe that this was the cause of the new coronavirus outbreak. Bats, like many wild animals, could potentially host bacteria and viruses. In addition, the virus was first detected in a food market in Wuhan. Experts published a paper to the China Science Bulletin that suggested bats could host the virus. However, this was all still under speculation. It's not clear yet how the virus was spread to humans, but scientists believes there was an unknown intermediate. This caused some to speculate that the bat soup might have been the missing link. Footage of Wuhan resident eating bat soup went viral on social media earlier this week. In the video, you could see a girl eating a black bat with a pair of chopsticks. As per the article, scientists released a statement released to the South China Morning Post that said, the Wuhan coronavirus natural host could be bats, but between bats and humans, there may be an unknown intermediate. The virus outbreak in China had caused the government to order Wuhan to shut down all outbound public transportation in Wuhan. In addition, residents were urged not to leave the city unless absolutely necessary. There have been a total of 555 confirmed cases worldwide since the outbreak began mid-December of last year. However, the World Health Organization had yet to declare the virus as a public health emergency of international concern. This could merit a coordinated global response to containing the virus. What we know so far. 1. Experts have warned the virus could be as deadly as the post-World War I Spanish flu, which killed millions. 2. The virus has spread to Thailand, Taiwan, Japan, Philippines and the US. 3. UK experts have said they believe the virus could already be in the UK. 4. Latest analysis by snakes then humans. 5. Wuhan in lockdown for a month as public transport and people told to avoid crowd. Scientific backing. A new study published in the China Science Bulletin earlier this week claimed that the new coronavirus shared a strain of virus found in bats. Previous deadly outbreaks of SARS and Ebola were also believed to have originated in the flying mammal. Experts had thought the new virus wasn't capable of causing an epidemic as serious as those outbreaks because its genes were different. But this research appeared to prove otherwise while scientists scrabbled to produce a vaccine, something that could take at least a year. The new study was carried out jointly by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, the People's Liberation Army and Institut Pasteur of Shanghai. It revealed that the virus has a strong binding affinity to a human protein called ACE2. The researchers said that this binding protein had a high resemblance to that of SARS. They also traced the evolution of the new strain of coronavirus in a government database and found that on the evolutionary tree, it belonged to beta coronavirus. The two shared about 70 to 80% of genes, less than the similarity between pigs and humans. Their findings suggest that the danger posed by the new strain of coronavirus, named 2019 nCoV, may have been underestimated in the research community. In 2003, bats were confirmed to be the source of the SARS virus. The Chinese government urged citizens to stop eating bats and wild animals, but it seems the practice has still been going on until now. It was also reported that each time a seller travels to a remote area to catch bats, they would catch at least 500 bats to make up 2 portions. This is because bats have very little meat in them. Some rich people have even purchased 2,000 bats to eat, which brings light on how easily the coronavirus was able to spread among humans. As of now, China has confirmed 571 cases of the virus and 17 deaths. We really hope scientists and experts will find a way to stop this virus from spreading further. The new coronavirus could have originated from snakes, one of the wild animals being sold in the Wuhan market. This is because researchers found that the protein codes in the virus are similar to that of snakes. According to CNA, snakes often hunt bats in the wild, which could be the reason snakes are now infected with the virus. The new coronavirus from Wuhan, China has been traced and is said to have originated from a market illegally selling wildlife, according to Reuters. The Director General of China's Center for Disease Control and Prevention said that the new virus is almost 70% similar to the SARS virus, which originated from bats. Therefore, scientists have speculated that bats could also be the source of the new coronavirus, which can transmit from animals to humans. This is of course just speculation, as many scientists have different theories on how the coronavirus came about. Experts have suggested that bats could host the virus after photos of Wuhan residents eating bat soup emerged online. Although it is uncertain how the virus has spread between humans and bats, they do, however, believe that there may be an unknown intermediate. This is where bat soup comes into play, as the Chinese delicacy in the Wuhan province is widely consumed by residents. Be safe. Stay vigilant.